Hey guys, this is PITBCruise15 today, and in this video, well, today I got my braces. As you can see, it's kind of dumb, but I'll get used to it, and it's annoying, but whatever. But in this video, that's not the point. I'm doing a 2x2 Cyclone Boys unboxing today, cube, and yeah, gonna put this like right there or something. Here it is. It's not really a big deal, just open it up. I'm really excited about this cube. I think it's gonna be cool. Stiff junk. Just like that weird instruction manual thing, but alright. Here it is. Alright, it's pretty cool, I think. But yeah, that's pretty much all for today. Just a quick, brief little unboxing, but yeah, like or subscribe, please do, and I'll see you in the next video. That's just all. See, Cyclone Boys 2x2, whatever, bye.